Welcome Psych 65 students to week 1. Today we're going to talk about the brain. So here's a picture of the human brain. It has 85 billion neurons and 10 quadrillion synaptic connections. 10 quadrillion connections. Starting here, try not to see the brain as just a single organ or even an organ divided into multiple parts, but instead try to see it as a giant network of interconnected neurons constantly communicating with one another. So to understand this, we first need to zoom into the neuron and discuss how it communicates. The neuron has an intricate structure specialized for rapid transmission of information. For this communication to take place, the neuron can be divided into 4 zones. An input zone, where the signal comes in. An integration zone, where it's decided if the signal will be passed along. A conduction zone, where the signal is passed along the neuron. And an output zone. Starting from the input zone, you have the dendrites. It can be so helpful to think about the Latin roots for both the example here and also when we're learning neuroanatomy. Dendrite is derived from the Latin root dendro, for tree. You can see that the dendrites are like the branches of a tree, reaching out for a signal to detect. Once the signal comes in, it is integrated at the cell body and determined whether an action potential begins where the cell body meets the axon. The action potential is then transmitted along the axon. This electrical signal then reaches the output zone, where a signal could then be passed along to other neurons through the axon terminals.